Meaning of death sentence.
Death sentence.
Death sentence.
Death sentence.
Death sentence. A death sentence is a legal ruling that authorizes the government to impose capital punishment on an individual who has been convicted of a serious crime, typically murder. The result of a death sentence is that the convicted person will be executed by the state, usually by lethal injection, electrocution, or hanging. Death sentences are considered highly controversial and are outlawed in many countries around the world. In those jurisdictions where it remains a legal option, its use is often heavily debated and subject to extensive appeals and review processes.